Welcome to the ultimate Bollywood quiz by Gyan Setu. Here is the first question. Born to a school teacher, he is called the original He-Man and Iron Man of Bollywood. He was once voted as one of the 10 most handsome people in the world. Once Dilip Kumar had said that in next birth, he would like to be as handsome as the star. Surprisingly, he never won any Filmfare Award as an actor, though he ruled Bollywood for more than 20 years. He changed his name to Dilawar Khan in 1979 to marry second time with top actress of Bollywood. His one of the songs was so popular that there are 2 movies on name of that song. He and 2 of his family members have been MPs. Recently, he did a cameo in web series, Taj, Divided by Blood. He has also worked with Ms. Jayalalitha, former Tamil Nadu CM, in one movie. Identify the person. You guessed it right. The answer is Dharmendra. Born as Abdul Rashid to a freedom fighter father who participated in Red Shirt movement with Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. In 9 of his movies, he is named Rahul. All of his cars have 555 number. He opened a restaurant in Daryaganj before Bollywood career. He was member of school hockey team and received Sword of Honor for best student of school. He played a small role in serial Wagale Ki Duniya. He started career as anti-hero in first few movies but today is called King of Romance. He has received many accolades including 14 Filmfare Awards, 5 honorary doctorates and Legion of Honor from French government. Identify the person. The answer is Shah Rukh Khan. Born as Srishtinath, he is called Greatest Showman and Charlie Chaplin of Indian cinema. He was named as Raju in so many of his movies. His performance in Awara movie was ranked as top 10 greatest performances of all times in world cinema. His films were smash hit in parts of Asia, Middle East, Caribbean, Africa and USSR and Turkey. At the age of 10, he did a child artist role in Inqilab. At 24, he was the youngest director of Indian cinema. A postage stamp was released in 2001 to honor him. He appeared in Box Office India's Top Actors list 12 times. Vladimir Vysotsky in Songs About Yogis mentions him as one of the 3 best known symbols of Indian culture in USSR along with Lord Shiva and yoga. More than 20 of his family members are associated with Bollywood. Identify the person. The answer is Raj Kapoor. Good job. She is cited as the most beautiful woman in the world. She worked in Hindi, Tamil, Bengali and even Hollywood movies. She started her career as a child model in ad film, Kamlam, got popularity from Pepsi ad dialogue, "Hi, I am Sanjana." She worked in both Pepsi and Coke ads. Nicknamed Gullu, she was honored with one tulip flower named after her in Netherlands and a limited edition of Barbie dolls launched after her name. She was the first Indian to be invited to Oprah Winfrey show and first woman to have Madame Tussauds statue. She was the Goodwill Ambassador for UN program on AIDS. She was the first Indian actress to be jury member at Cannes. She was global brand ambassador for L'Oreal. She played lead role in a movie, Sarabjit, as sister of Indian farmer who was arrested by Pak on terrorism charges. Identify the person. You guessed it right. The answer is Aishwarya Rai. Named Gaurang, he was born in Bangladesh. He is an actor, producer, politician, hotelier and from 1995 to 99 was highest individual taxpayer in India. He is the record holder in Limca Book of Records for 19 movie releases in 1989, and this record is still unbroken in Bollywood. He was for some times in Naxalite. Before joining film industry he won National Film Award for his first film. In total he has won 3 National Film Awards and 4 Filmfare Awards. In 2010, Guinea-Bissau issued a postal stamp in his honor. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 2024. Identify the person. You guessed it right. The answer is Mithun Chakravarti. Name of this star consists of 2 words taken from houses where he, she lived. Was state gold medalist in 10th board exams, has fluency in Hindi, Arabic, English and few languages of South. A mega star of its time's 113 Silver Jubilee hits in career. Has also worked with Dharmendra in one movie. A family event hosted by the star has 2 Guinness World Records. A particular city of India was called Detroit of India due to number of car manufacturers which established their business in city, solely due to efforts of the star turned politician. You guessed it right. The answer is J. Jayalalitha. He started his career with a Hindi movie as a child artist, but the movie was shelved. Then he did a small role in Hindi movie to kickstart his career. Got major break as a hero in a Tamil movie in 1980. In 1983, started his journey in Kannada movie which was directed by legendary Mani Ratnam, a smash hit. Has worked in Hollywood movie Mission Impossible: The Ghost Protocol. He has sung in at least 3 Bollywood songs and even released his musical album in 1986. One of the great icons, the ever young star, who is still working in films and OTT platform. You guessed it right. The answer is Anil Kapoor. Born as Inqilab, he started his Hollywood journey with movie The Great Gatsby. He has lent his voice to Oscar-winning French documentary, March of Penguins. Has lent his voice and image to Teach Aids, an educational tool developed by Stanford University. First living Asian to be modelled at Madame Tussauds, London. Has written book Soul Curry for You and Me, 41 Filmfare nominations in different categories, 16 Filmfare Awards, 6 National Film Awards, Padam Vibhushan and Dada Saheb Phalke Award. There is a waterfall in Sikkim named after him. Identify this person. The answer is Amitabh Bachchan. Great guess. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did making it. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for such content. Thank you.